The character of Kausalya, an embodiment of affection and patience. Kausalya is one of the pivotal female characters in the Ramayana. She is not merely the mother of Sri Rama but also the one who held the esteemed position of the senior queen of the Raghu dynasty. Her character is highly revered for immense affection, piety, dharma nishtha and patience. 8. Background and status. Status. Kausalya was the Patta Rani chief queen of Maharaj Dasharatha of Ayodhya and commanded the highest respect in the palace. Lineage. She was the princess of the South Koshala kingdom. Son. She is the mother of Sri Rama, the avatar of Mahavishnu. Though. Key qualities of the character. Despite facing many adversities in her life, Kausalya never abandoned her religious and human values. Maternal love, intense affection. She had boundless and intense love for Rama. She could not imagine living without him. When Rama left Ayodhya, she was just as grief-stricken as Dasharatha. Devotion to dharma, piety. She was deeply engrossed in prayers and religious rituals, giving great importance to dharma, righteousness and truth. Before Rama's coronation, she prayed for his long life and his adherence to dharma. Patience and sacrifice. Tyaga. Kausalya never harbored jealousy towards Dasharatha's other wives, Sumitra and Kaikeyi. Even when Kaikeyi caused great injustice to her son, she did not directly blame Kaikeyi. Forgiveness. Kshamashalate. After Dasharatha's death, caused by Kaikeyi's actions, instead of being angry at Kaikeyi, Kausalya herself called Kaikeyi's son, Bharat, and spoke to him with love. This demonstrates her noble and profoundly forgiving nature. 13. Key events in the narrative. A. The circumstances of coronation and exile. Joy and sorrow. Kausalya was extremely happy upon hearing the news of Rama's impending coronation. However, the very next day, upon hearing the news that Rama must go into exile for 14 years, she was devastated. Encouraging Rama, in that moment, though she tearfully pleaded with Rama, "Do not leave me," when Rama explained that it was his dharma to honor his father's word, she accepted his decision to uphold righteousness, despite her grief. B. Blessing to Lakshmana. Before Rama departed for exile, when Lakshmana prepared to accompany him, the blessing Kausalya gave to Lakshmana highlights her magnificent character. "My son, Lakshmana, do not consider Rama just as your elder brother in the forest. Know Rama to be your father Dasharatha, Sita to be your mother just as I am, and the forest to be Ayodhya itself. Consider service to Rama as your primary duty." These words make it clear that Kausalya was not just Rama's mother, but a great, pious mother who desired the welfare of the entire Raghu dynasty. C. After the exile. Following Dasharatha's demise, when Bharat ruled from Nandagrama, Kausalya and the other queens supported him and followed the path of dharma. When Rama returned to Ayodhya after 14 years, Kausalya was among those who experienced the greatest joy and peace in welcoming him. 4. Significance of the character. Kausalya stands as the symbol of the ideal mother, the ideal queen and the ideal mother-in-law in the Ramayana. She constantly supported Dasharatha's adherence to truth and strengthened the love and harmony between Rama and his brothers. Her continuous sacrifice, spiritual strength, and love bring depth of devotion and affection to the story of the Ramayana.